It's the 1st of May. Is it likely to rain in Mumbai? Possibly not. Mumbai rains usually begin in early June. I'm waiting to cross the road and wait for the walk signal to turn green. Am I likely to be hit? Probably not, because I assume that the drivers will wait for their signals. I'm 60 years old. Am I likely to have more health issues than a 90-year-old? Probably not, because I assume that at 60 I will be much fitter. What is this? These are basically three scenarios. If anyone asked to put money on or to bet on, what would possibly be the decisions we would take? I would probably put money on the fact that it would not rain on the 1st of May. I would probably put money in a Western country that if I waited for the signal, the walk signal to turn green, I would not be hit, but I wouldn't trust India. And I would definitely put money on the fact that today a 60-year-old is more likely to be healthier than a 90-year-old. Welcome. Welcome to today's episode of What is a Bet? Annie Duke, a cognitive psychologist and a former professional poker player, gave bets as decisions, beliefs, choices, risks, probabilities that we all take. A bet doesn't only take place in a casino, on a poker table, or by us buying lottery tickets. Every day you and I are making bets. How? By the decisions that we are taking. And if we keep that in mind, we understand that we are betting on something that will happen. That means we are betting on a probabilistic future. Remember, decision making is a bet, but also not making a decision is an equal bet. Many of us think by not making a decision we are safe. Actually, not. We are betting on the status quo to have us change nothing, forgetting that we are giving up future possibilities of success. We are giving up future versions of ourselves, but more importantly, we are forgetting the opportunity costs that we may pay by just hanging on to the status quo. Why is a bet a decision? A bet is a decision because it is making us think about the probabilities that can occur. If you and I today want to take better bets on our lives and the choices that we make, we need to consider probability, we need to consider all the information that is in front of us, but more importantly, we have to consider our beliefs. Beliefs determine emotions, and if you are making a bet without reviewing your belief, the chances are that you will make a very emotional bet or a very emotional decision, and the likelihood of loss accruing because of an emotional decision increases. So think of your life as making bets. You and I make bets every day, literally every second or every minute. And if we become process oriented, gather all the information, become probabilistic in our thinking, become aware of the risks, and become more clear of the beliefs and therefore less emotional, the chances are that we would make very, very healthy, but more importantly, we would make winning bets. If you like what you hear, please do hit the like button. Please do share my video, and of course continue to write to me at varkha@varkhachulani.com. Till next week, it's goodbye and thank you.